Let's start. In this video, we are going to see how to link Aadhar card with the Pan card by using your phone or mobile. For that, first you have to go to the Chrome browser or Google app in your phone. Here I am going to Google app. Click on the Google app. Click on search. Here you have to type income tax. So once you typed income tax, just click on search. Here you can see income tax department. This page will appear. Click on the income tax department here for PAN and Aadhar linking. Once you click on the income tax department website, this page will appear. Here you can see e-filling anywhere, anytime. For PAN Aadhar linking, e-filling of ITR, updated return, TDS return, refund status, etc. Click here. So for PAN and Aadhar linking, you have to click the first one, that is www.incometax.gov.in. So click here. After that, you can see quick links. Below the quick links, e-verify return, link Aadhar status, link Aadhar. So here in the second one, you can see link Aadhar. Click on the link Aadhar here. Here you have to type your PAN card number and next Aadhar card number. So here you have to enter your PAN card number once again, and then you have to enter your PAN card once again to confirm your PAN card number. So below the confirm PAN, you have to enter once again the PAN card number and then the mobile number for OTP verification. You can give any mobile number for OTP verification. You will get just OTP to enter just for the verification. Just type any mobile number. If it linked to Aadhar or not linked to Aadhar, no need to bother. Just enter any one of the mobile number to get OTP verification. After enter your phone number, just click on the continue button, and here it will ask for the OTP. They will send 6-digit number OTP to your mobile which you entered here. So type that 6-digit OTP number. and click on continue. 227854. 7854. Once you entered your OTP correctly, it will shows that you are successfully verified through mobile OTP. So you have to click continue for further payment, and here 3 boxes will open. Income tax, demand payment as regular assessment tax 400, fee or other payment. So here you have to click on the first one, income tax, and you can see proceed button. Click on the proceed. Once you click on the proceed, the new payment page will open. Here it will ask for the assessment. Here you have to click 2024 to 25. So it will automatically generate the financial year 2023 to 24. So after that, here next is the type of payment, minor head. Here you have to choose the other receipt 500. This is the last option. You have to choose other receipt 500, not any other one. You have to choose this one. After selection, here it is asking for subtype of payment. So under the subtype of payment, you have to choose fee for delaying linking the PAN with Aadhar. So here you can choose the first option. Click on the continue button. Here the new payment option will open, the 1000 rupees. So click on payment, and here you can choose net banking, debit card or any other option. You can see so many options. Whichever you are comfortable, click on that and make the payment of 1000 rupees. Once your payment is successful, in 2 or 3 days it will shows that your Pancard and Aadhar card is linked. So for that you have to go to the income tax department website, and you have to click on the check Aadhar link status. So here there you have to type your PAN and Aadhar card number and click on validate. After that you can once you click on the validate button, it will shows that whether your Aadhar card is linked with your PAN card or not. So if you are checking the linked Aadhar card status after 2 or 3 days, it usually or definitely shows that your PAN card is linked with Aadhar card successfully. Then that's it, you are done with the linking of your PAN card with the Aadhar card. So this is done. That's it. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and stay tuned. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and like and share with your friends, family members or any other people who needed this to link their PAN and Aadhar card numbers. So please do share with them. Thank you. Bye bye. Once you entered your PAN card number and Aadhar card number, next you have to click on the validate button and then continue to pay through e-pay tax. Click on that.